So this is what happens when you give them a T-bone. There's a T-bone. T-bone. Oh, it's a fight over that T-bone. Oh, who grabbed the T-bone? Mindy got the T-bone again. She's off and running. She's taken off. Where'd she go? She got the T-bone all to herself. Yes. She's hiding. And the other pups are coming after her. Oh, but Ringo was an idiot. Went into the other pen. You can't get at the T-bone. There we go. We're all trying to get the T-bone from Mindy. Mindy says, "It's my T-bone. Get away from me. My T-bone." Wow. All right, I'm going to grab the T-bone. I'm taking the T-bone away from you. Yes, if I can get to it. If I can get to it. Oh, she might bite me. She might bite me. She might bite me. Oh, come on. Give me that T-bone. Give me that T-bone. Aha. T-bone. Now Lefty's got the T-bone. Oh, Lefty's going in Tilly's pen with the T-bone. Ah, you got the T-bone. Ooh. Yummy. Oh no, that's Butthead has the T-bone. That's Butthead. Is that a good T-bone? Hey? Is that good? Okay, I gotta stop filming because I'm running out of battery power here. Hi guys. Oh, we're all going for the T-bone. Alright. We're gonna kill it. We're gonna kill it. Hi, you. Hi, Mindy. Hi, JJ. Ooh. Okay, I gotta grab that T-bone. I gotta grab that T-bone. Well, I got the T-bone. Alright. You guys are all going back in the pen now.